Welcome to a daily dose of self love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to connect with the energy of peace, love, joy, and abundance. You are guided to connect with a divine presence that may appear to you in your meditation. And you are guided to remember and know that you are never alone. You are always surrounded by love. Enjoy this meditation. Let's drop into today's meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music, and when you're ready, turn your outer gaze inward. Begin to notice your breath. We set the intention of nourishing ourselves with our breath. We set the intention of deep, lasting self-love. We set the intention of building our inner world, strengthening our inner flame. We set the intention of living a life of joy, love, peace, and abundance. Feel your feet firmly planted on the ground and your connection with the Earth Mother. Breathe with the earth. Feel the love of the earth flowing toward you as you inhale. As you exhale, feel yourself relaxing into the hands of Mother Earth. Feeling your physical body loosen, soften, release tension, and sink in deeper, deeper into this beautiful cocoon of earth energy. Feel yourself in this space of belonging on earth. You have a unique and beautiful purpose. You have a beautiful, bright road that you are discovering. We choose to walk each step of this earth path with curiosity. So many unknowns unfolding into our awareness. We say thank you for this opportunity to learn and grow and discover and become. Take a deep breath. Allow this earth energy to float up into your heart and expand this fire that burns within you. This glow of love that burns within you. And this love energy expands so big, it begins to surround us in this beautiful bubble of love, this cocoon of earth, love, peace, joy, abundance. We breathe that in so deeply. We feel that into the space around us. Peace, joy, love, abundance is ours in this moment. We feel our connection to God, to source energy, to love, to the Great Spirit, to all that is. We feel our connection to our higher power, our higher wisdom, our clear knowing, clear seeing, clear feeling. We know that we're held in God energy. We are part of God. We can rest in the hands of God, feeling at peace, feeling love, joy, and abundance. We know that we burn so bright in this moment. And there's so much to be thankful for in your own heart and in your own mind, in your own awareness. Identify a few things that you are so thankful for right now. We know and trust that this energy of gratitude brings us to a higher level. This energy of gratitude allows us to become even greater, to receive even more, to live with greater purpose. And so we take a few moments to feel gratitude, identifying all those things that we're thankful for in this moment. We have so much to be thankful for in this life. We are living, breathing, beaming, and becoming. In this moment, we choose to turn inward, to reflect inward, to feel our own inner world. In your mind's eye, see yourself firmly planted in this earth, belonging. In your mind's eye, look out upon the horizon and see so many brightly burning hearts, and know that you are never alone. You are not alone. You are surrounded by this earth family, this spirit family. You are surrounded by love at all times. And even though you may feel alone, you never are. You can call upon this moment your guides, your spirit beings, your earth family. You can call upon all of these beautiful, fulfilling, loving energies to be with you and support you at all times. We say thank you for the remembrance that we are never alone. And in your mind's eye, you can picture one particular person, one particular energy coming a little bit closer to you. Take a moment to allow your intuition to connect more deeply with this one particular divine presence that is appearing to you in your mind's eye. Take a deep breath in gratitude. And we return back to this physical reality. We wiggle our fingers and our toes. We take some deep breaths. We notice how we feel in this moment, sensations, emotions. We say thank you, and when we're ready, we open our eyes and move toward our journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to free write, really nurturing that beautiful relationship you are growing with yourself. See you next time. Much love.